period. And I guess I'm just not the type of person who get on here and be like, I guess I'm just not the type of person who gonna get on here and be like, oh my God, I sincerely apologize to any. No, bitch, I'm gonna let everybody know how it's gonna be and how it is. And I say it in my own way, period. Exactly. Whoever come and get prepared. Get prepared. They're gonna scam the shit out of her. Everybody. I'm telling you. Them niggas on a roll. Them niggas on a mission. Like, I would be devastated if I'm in a rain to see my idol and to see the person who I listen to and I really fuck with, and I'm in the rain and I can't even get in her motherfucking concert or the venue, and I'm in like that. I just can't even. Like, yo, I would have started beating the shit out the niggas. I would have started doing something, but I would have been heated. Like, yo, everybody in the world knows I'm a real ass bitch. Period, trap boy. Period. I'm just letting these bum ass niggas know, man. My purse costs more than these niggas. You heard? My Chanel's cost more than these niggas. My Gucci costs more than these niggas. My Louis costs more than these. My Louis purse costs more than you niggas. My ring costs more than you niggas. What I pay my security costs more than you niggas. What we drive in every time we pull up to any city, and it costs more than you niggas. Hey, stop playing on me. Yeah, bitch, it was raining. It was raining. And they didn't let him in. Everybody trying to down her player, but obviously she doing something. She got promoted to that thing. Exactly. Soon, bro, I'm so real, my nigga. Soon as I'm leaving the hair shop. Soon as I find out, I straight post and say, I say these niggas, I say what they did, like right then and there. It wasn't no, I'm leaving Cleveland talking shit. No, nigga, I said that shit right then and there. And then then them niggas still on the phone. Yo, we want to get her $1,700 to come for 30 minutes. Nigga pulled up 5 cars in Cleveland. Them niggas didn't know what car I was in. That's why them niggas so